Anyway. Okay, that was better. I could upload that as like an Instagram video maybe. That's the best solve I've done in like, I don't know, a few months because I haven't really done any solves in the past few months. Let's see if we can get a sub-world record mean or something, but I don't really know. Oh wow, nice. That was pretty easy as well though, so like that isn't really anything special for me. Actually I need gloves. This will help me. Oh wow. Did it just break the world record? Yeah, just got like world record mean. Oh wow. That's so funny. So yeah, that's just random. So I basically just haven't warmed up at all, and I just got like a world record mean, or sub world record mean anyway. Well, those are good scrambles, so yeah. I might make a YouTube video out of this because I haven't made any in a while, and this is actually kind of good. 1786, so that's like sub world record by. I can't do the maths in my head. Can someone answer 18.27 minus 17.86? Well, I don't know what that is.